Hello everybody, I'm Ari Stowe, the Director of Product Management at Resolve, and I'm excited to take you through our very first What's New video series and talk to you about the new features we're releasing in our automation platform. Today I'm here to talk to you about the ROI Dashboard available in the latest release of Resolve Actions. The ROI Dashboard up-levels data to provide IT with key insights to make meaningful business decisions. This dashboard provides IT the ability to configure and measure their automations as KPIs. For example, cost savings can be represented in a graph to measure the impact of automations run on Resolve in both time and cost savings. Another key example of a KPI that's important to measure is time savings. You can see here the impact of the automations we run in terms of time savings over the last 6 months. We also provide a top 10 list to highlight the most efficient automations and the value they bring to the business. I'm really excited about this feature and the possibilities for IT to use this dashboard to help decide what's next or to show impact. As organizations economy-proof their business, measuring ROI on their investments will allow IT to drive strategic decisions. Along with providing high-level data, the ROI dashboard allows IT to drill into the specifics as well. For example, I can filter the top cost savings workflows in the last month, or filter the most time-efficient workflows. Now that I've shown you how impactful this dashboard is, I'm sure some of you are wondering, how hard is this to set up? Let me show you how quickly I was able to set mine up. All it takes is a couple of inputs. First, how much time would it take you to complete this previously? In addition, how much per hour would it cost for someone to do this manually? As you can see, with those two inputs, Resolve can quickly calculate the automated runtime and how much savings have been achieved. This feature is available for trial now if you want to check it out. This release also comes packed with some additional enhancements like the machine learning recommendation engine. If you'd like a demo of this release, please feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to walk through with you live.